Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my foundation routine. So this is my everyday foundation routine. I do this foundation routine when I go to school, when I run errands, just to get ready. But for this case, I didn't add highlighter just because I feel like it looks good like this with my blush and my bronzer. So if you want to add highlighter, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm just teaching you guys how I do it exactly like this. So if you guys want to see how I do this, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and take my jade roller. I do this sometimes, every once in a while. I have this obsession with my face looking plump, and I feel like if I put on my jade roller, I literally just took this out of the freezer and just roll it and use the stone on my face. I feel like it'll give me that plumped look. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So now that we're done with our jade roller, I'm gonna go ahead and start my foundation. So what I use as a primer, and this is what has been giving me the flawless look, is my Huda Beauty Nymph. So I skip moisturizer and just go straight to this because this is like a serum. It feels like it's kind of oily. So this is in the shade Aphrodite. With one pump, I just go ahead and apply it. Make sure I get my under eye area, this area, and just all the way to my chin, my nose, my upper lip. Just like whatever I have left on my finger, I just kind of like dab it. I do get some of it on my forehead, but just not a lot. Then taking my NARS foundation in the shade Barcelona. This is medium 4 Barcelona. 3 pumps in the back of my hand, and go ahead and put that all over my face. So as you guys can see, my foundation looks very smooth. I don't know if it's picking up a little bit lighter on camera, but my foundation is my perfect shade. So after covering it up and blending the nymph, this is the result. I literally love my foundation. I don't have to use primer. I don't have to use moisturizer. I just go ahead and use the nymph. And I want to thank Tony. I will link her channel down below. She's amazing. She was the one that, I don't know if she came up with it, but I got this trick from her and I've been doing it ever since I saw her do it. Okay, so we're back. I don't know if my frame might have moved a little bit. I had to get a new SD card because my other one was full. So we're gonna go ahead and do concealer. I am using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.5 Creme Brulee. And taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Mahogany. I'm just gonna go ahead and warm up my face, my temples, and just my jawline. So I'm gonna take my Mercier powder, go ahead and bake under my under eye and the sides of my nose. Now, meanwhile that sets in, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. So I went ahead and overlined and filled my lips in, just the bottom, and then I just go like this. So after my lip liner, I just go in with this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. After my lip liner and my lipstick, I have to go in with lip gloss, but first I'm gonna dust off my bake and do my blush. So to finish off, I finish off with my eyebrows. As you guys can see, I don't need to fill them in. So using my Boy Brow by Glossier, this is what gives my eyebrow shape and what keeps them in place, because I don't really have to fill them in since they're so thick. Now to finish the whole look, I always seal with my SMASHBOX Photo Finish water. This is it for the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys want, you guys can leave comments down below, or any idea of any videos, or just leave your thoughts. I guess if you guys try this out, I would love for you guys to tell me. I'm gonna leave all my social media down below. So thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys on the next video.